What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mike's Motors. It's 6 a.m. and I'm already on the road heading up to Virginia International Speedway. Today we're going up to E30 Oktoberfest, which is a yearly East Coast event that's been going on over 15 years. This event is all about bringing together E30 owners who spent the last year building and dialing in their cars and finally get the chance to put them to the test on a world-class track like VIR. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I'm not doing a full breakdown or deep dive into the meat, just sharing some clean clips of me driving my BMW M235i around VIR, some footage of Logan out on the track, and a little bit of ride along with Logan and his 328. Alright guys, we just met up with Logan and we're making the final push to VIR. Only a few miles left until we're at the track. Once we get there, we'll get everything set up, go through tech inspection, and then to straighten the car to get some laps in. I'll see you guys in there.
If you don't know, you probably do. Oh wait, yours doesn't have the. Oh, see, mine has the button where they'll tilt back, so there's room for your helmet. That's okay.
You can move your seat back too if you need.
Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I'll just move the seat back. There we go.
Pretty good. Just that last turn, you kind of got to take it wide at first.
It's long radius, and then it's a long radius
really
turn, but then the radius, instead of the radius opening up like you would expect with most turns, it closes off on you.
I did go through the twisties the first time too.
Oh yeah? I did that one time too because I didn't realize.
I mean, I guess it's whatever you want to do, really. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, it's almost like a Joker lap, but I don't know which one is technically the layout.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. I got about 3 to 4 hours of track time today. The car ran flawlessly, and most importantly, nothing broke this year, which is a huge win compared to last Oktoberfest. I got plenty of laps in driving my car, hopped in with Logan for some ride-alongs, and we just enjoyed the whole experience. We had an absolute blast out here at E30 Oktoberfest. The clip you're seeing now is of all the BMW E30s that came out for the event, and it was awesome seeing such a solid turnout this year. After the track time, we hung around, grabbed some food, had a few drinks, shared some laughs, and wrapped up things with a raffle they do every year. This whole event is put together by a small group of dedicated people with the help of a number of sponsors, and they absolutely crush it year after year. Events like this are what it's all about. Good people, good cars, and actually getting out there and driving them. Huge shout out to everyone who helped organize it and everyone who came out. If you enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and stick around for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.